Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into CryptoFlare. We're going to be checking out how our account is doing and how much closer we are getting to passive income. So keep watching.
Hey guys, so this is just going to be a super quick update to give you a bit of inspiration and show that passive income with CryptoFlare is not that far away. Recently, RJ has been getting quite a few PMs and DMs saying that people are struggling with how long it seems to take to get anywhere with the site. Anyway, RJ will explain more. And remember, if this is your first time visiting RJ's channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto-related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're alerted to RJ's new content as it comes online. Thanks for watching.
Okay, and here we are in our CryptoFlare account, and just as Jesse says, we are actually not that far away from passive income now, but we have been receiving a few PMs and DMs from people just sort of kind of on the brink of kind of, do I want to carry on with this? It does seem to be a bit of a long haul program, but what you've got to realize is with any of these free crypto programs is they're not going to make you a millionaire overnight, and you do have to put a good amount of work into them before they really start paying you back. But they will pay you back, and they will pay you consistently. But like I say, you've got to put that work in to get that return. Now, obviously, over the last few months, now I think the last time I really paid attention to what Bitcoin was doing, it was at about $42,000 per coin. Now, if we quickly look here, we're up to 51, and only the other day it was actually over 52. So is this, and this could be the start of a bull run. Now, obviously, that is not any kind of financial advice or anything like that, but should it be? Should the bear market start turning towards the sort of a bull run, we could be seeing a point of where Bitcoin might actually go over its last highest amount, which was $60,000 or just over $60,000. We could be, if this really starts to go, you could be looking at $70,000+ per coin. So anyway, what I'm trying to get to that, obviously, that is probably, is if crypto is something that you are interested in, it is a good time. In my opinion, it is a good time to start looking at it. Obviously, again, that is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go and remortgage your house and buy a load of Bitcoin at all. What I'm saying is with these programs, if you spend a bit of time, you can start bringing those coins in for free. And the other thing is when Bitcoin starts going up, pretty much all other coins start shifting as well, because the market tends to look at Bitcoin as a trigger. That is sort of the mark or the thing to guide everybody else. And as soon as that starts going up, everybody starts looking at all the other coins and they start going up as well. And the cool thing about CryptoFlare is what you earn is Bitcoin. And obviously, as I've said in the past, this is a dead easy faucet to use. It's great for American residents because they can use C-Wallet, which pretty much most people over in America with these faucets use. That is, would be your sort of means of withdrawal, and it is all through this site. Anyway, like I say, it's only going to be a super quick update. The last time we did a video was 1 month ago. Now we're going to go straight into the rev share because that is what I want to show you guys. So you've basically as well, you just got to remember that everything I'm doing on this site is here. So basically we're doing the manual claims, the surf ads. I'm doing some of the short links, not all of them. And basically the ones that it will allow me to do, I'm doing. The offer walls, I'm actually spending more time in here. I've sort of stopped doing the offer walls in mining blocks for the moment because I want to focus everything into CryptoFlare. And as we know, the offer walls in CryptoFlare are sort of shared by other programs, and mining blocks happen to be one. And if I say did the offer walls in mining blocks, I wouldn't be able to do them in CryptoFlare. So basically, my focus right now is CryptoFlare and also the read articles. I've told you, Tapuka, also a YouTuber, she pointed out to me these are a great way of collecting Satoshis and points on the site, and that is what I'm doing. So pretty much everything here, apart from the dice, I am doing, and I'm doing that as every single day. And obviously though, any claims like the manual claims, I'm doing as often as I can throughout the day. So anyway, 1 month ago, if we scroll down, in fact, while we're here, we'll just throw that in there. I've basically got this 11 is from doing the faucets. I had actually over 200 Satoshis in here. It's about 220 Satoshis in here I had after I'd done everything on the site. And like I say, 1 month ago, this was at 4,206. So 4,206, we were earning only 2 or about 3 a day, 20 weekly, and 86 monthly. So obviously what we're trying to do is get this to a point that it's giving us 1,000 Satoshis monthly. That is what I'm trying. Obviously, once it gets to that point, I'm not going to suddenly go, okay, well, I've got that monthly, so I'm going to walk away from it and just claim that. No, obviously, I will continue to do it, but that is really the goal, because that means you can make that withdrawal every single month, because the minimum withdrawal on this site is 1,000 Satoshis. So, where are we right now? If we here 477, so we are at nearly 8 a day now, 55 a week, 235 a month. Now what does that mean? That means that we're nearly at 1,000 every 4 months. So, which obviously it's a lot better than it was a month ago when we only had 4,206. Now, like I say, I'm really pushing this site forward, doing as much as I can on here. I'm basically claiming over 200 Satoshis every day to put in here. And basically just by doing the stuff on the site I showed you, one of the things I have done though is, because you guys will know, or for those of you that follow my channel, you know, there's a big event going on in the contract miner, the Brazilian event that is absolutely free. You can get some real great prizes from that. But because I'm using that as well, basically what I've done is I have a second computer, very low spec, but I have CryptoFlare and contract miner on my screen on my second computer, and I'll flick between the two. And basically, I'm doing in Crypto Miner the RP games as often as I can to claim all them AP points. But then with the CryptoFlare, every time that manual claim comes available, I am doing it. And that's why, and I just leave those two sites running. Obviously, if you're not involved with Contract Miner yet, check out the videos in my channel. On the latest event, it says big event kind of thing. It's big banner on it saying event, and check that out. There's, like I say, some brilliant prizes in that. It is free to you for you guys to use, and you can go there and mine coins on that site as well. But like I say, for those of you that are sort of getting to the point where you're like, you know, you're a bit down in the dumps with this because you don't seem to be getting anywhere, I agree. It sort of, it is one of those slow things, but since I've sort of got into this higher level, what I've been doing is every day when I come in, there is, well, daily, let's say, there will be 8 satoshis in there every day from this interest. I'll be getting 8 satoshis. So I claim that on top of whatever I do on the site. So if I've got like 220 on there, I'll claim that, and then that adds another 8. I know it doesn't sound a lot, but it's like, you think that's 8 every single day, which then equates to nearly 60 a week. And, you know, and I'm doing that every single time I can. And that is what has pushed me quite quickly from 1 month ago at 4,206 to what we're at now. So for those of you that are, you know, sort of losing a bit of motivation with this site, stick in there. Keep putting that work in and you will start seeing those rewards. And like I say, anything you're getting in here at the moment, just withdraw it and then reinvest it. That is going to be your quickest way of doing it. And like I say, my target is to hit 1,000 satoshis here a month. But then obviously we will keep pushing the account forward. Obviously, if we can get to the point where we're earning 1,000, or we can withdraw 1,000 satoshis every week, that's 4,000 satoshis every month. That is going to start equating to some really good amount of coins. And then obviously with the increase of price of Bitcoin, you are going to start seeing your wallet getting pretty large in the sense of how much that is worth. Okay, so that is pretty much all I wanted to show you guys, because I just wanted to say that, you know, for those of you, like I say, that you are losing a bit of motivation with this, like I say, you'll hit a point and then suddenly you'll be like, oh, wow, you know, and you'll just, everything will start just speeding up because you're adding, you know, you're getting more on a daily basis that you're withdrawing, and then you're adding that as a reinvestment. And it, like I say, do that and you will suddenly see that your account really starts blowing up. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. Hope you found that helpful and informative. And if you can, smash that like button, please. It really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.